Watch how I make a key for this Ford van. From no keys to having a key. Stay tuned. The same ordeal all the time, I'm telling you. Now, I don't like doing it like this, so we're gonna do is read it. And just flipped it. So now repeat after me. 2 is 1. 3 is 2. 7 and 8 is nothing. So I'm gonna type that into the programmer, to the key cutter machine. Even here. Got that knife typed up. All right, let's find the bit and let's see if we find anything. Hopefully we do. Yeah, look at that. We got about 4 keys to try. Let me try the first key. Get this key out. Let's see if this key works on the ignition. First try. Maybe the last try. There you go. Battery is dead. Battery. Look, just right there. I had it running. I just wanted to turn it off. There you go. There you go. Battery's really low though.
Let me run up and get your money, all right?
All right. There you go. Job's done.